What's good, my royalty family? Back at it again with another video. Another quick video like usual. Hopefully everybody's enjoying their day. But like, comment, and subscribe. Turn your post notification bells on if you're into car entertainment, car knowledge, pretty much car everything. So this is the channel for you. Let me back up again. It's cutting off my his head in the his house. But title and thumbnail say rebuild. So I've been seeing a lot of cars for sale with rebuilt titles. And my question is for you all who watch this video, would you go ahead and purchase a rebuilt car? In the midst of me saying this, I was talking to my homeboy Cloud9_Charger. Y'all go subscribe to him on YouTube and follow him on Instagram. He got the dope rap for y'all to go check it out. But me and him was talking and how we both want to upgrade to wide body scats, wide body. He said he wanted a wide body scat. I said I wanted the wide body scat. But we seeing the prices of wide body scats right now, used and new, and they kind of like up there, where it's like you probably gonna be paying maybe 1,000 and some change. So, but I also start talking to him a little bit about rebuilt title cars, where I'm finding scats and hellcats and trackhawks and obviously any type of V8. So it doesn't have to be Dodge. I've been seeing some Ford, Mustangs, Infinities, all that stuff. And to be honest, right now, if you're willing to take that risk or take that chance, I would say go and get you a rebuilt title car, because it gives you wiggle room to understand the value of the car, knowing that it's rebuilt. Understanding when it's rebuilt, it's been repaired, it's been inspected. So even though it's not considered clean, but it gets to a point where it's being refurbished and rebuilt. Obviously, they are using all the parts, all the manufactured parts for the rebuild. And to be honest, the way prices are looking now for used and new V8s right now, I'm not gonna just strictly talk about Dodge. I'm talking Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep, Ford, Chevy. They are outrageous right now. So it's a lot of used, rebuilt title cars out there on the market right now. And guys, there are financing companies that will help you finance a rebuilt title car. And it's also a lot easier on insurance for you because the car doesn't have the value of a clean, so you won't be paying arm and leg and car insurance right now. So I just wanted to pass this knowledge for y'all. Like, if you are in the car market, look at all your options right now, because the car market is against us right now, and it's crazy. But they trying to take us for all the money that we have, and I'll be damned if they take me for all my money that I work hard for, and I'll be damned if they take y'all for all y'all money. So get in the comments and let me know, would you go ahead and get you a rebuilt title car? Because they're high in demand right now. I'm seeing, every time I see a car, it say rebuilt title, especially on Facebook Marketplace. You can even find them on Car Gurus. You can even find them on cars.com. Like, they're pretty much everywhere, and they're an option for you. So get in the comments below. Let me know, would you go ahead and get a rebuilt title V8? Ford, Dodge, Ram, Chrysler, Chevy, any type of V8, Mercedes, all that. Would y'all go get a rebuilt title car? Because in my opinion, I would take the chance and understand, like, I can finance it and my car insurance would be a lot cheaper. And the value of the car, I can always negotiate with them, like, hey, and that's the best thing. You can negotiate with them on what the value is, because they don't know what the value is, because it's a rebuilt. Let me get in the comments below. Another video, another update. But other than that, guys, support is free 99. and it don't cost you a dime, but it's also cheaper than a cup of coffee from Starbucks. And I'll catch y'all in the next video.